is race. Okay? So, kumuha tayo
Let's
ng
go na.
2 groups. Team A and
Time na po.
alright, yung team A, Kuya Yuki, yung team B po is Ken, okay? Alright, so fallen line po, smallest to tallest po tayo, okay? Sino po isa team B? So, fallen line po.